Part of our eBay onboarding. Let's try to import some items. We have only one item in our account. Let's go to Import/Export. Import from Marketplace. Items from eBay. Import items from eBay, and let's import new products to the SKU grid. One item was imported. So now it's paused because it doesn't have supplier. We need to set the supplier. So let's copy the supplier URL. Go to Edit Item, Set Supplier, and just click Save. Click Update Item. We also just need to unpause the item. Click Edit. In the form Find Pause, choose No Pause. Click Update Item. And that's it. The item will be updated. Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel for other videos.